Encountered an MLH file from legacy email systems? These are mail header files from older Microsoft Mail or similar email applications. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to handle these Microsoft Mail header files. A critical part of my workflow, having a universal file viewer installed, acts as a quick test for MLH file damage. My exact recommendation is linked below. MLH files are email header files used by legacy, Microsoft Mail and similar email applications, storing message header information separately from message content. They contain sender recipient subject date and routing information used by older email systems for message organization and retrieval workflows. MLH files use Microsoft's legacy email header format, storing message metadata in structured form with field identifiers and values. The structure includes RFC 822 derived header information, along with proprietary extensions following Microsoft's documented mail header specification from earlier email system implementations. Technically, the best program for MLH is usually Notepad++ from Don Ho. The file requires external codec support that Windows does not provide natively. Windows shows only surface-level details, while proper viewing depends on dedicated email software. Let's check which applications associate the file. Right-click your MLH file and click Open With. Test with Notepad++ if available. If not, just choose another program from the installed list and see if it works. When your MLH file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. The problem with this MLH file isn't complicated, it's specific. We just need to verify a few key details on our checklist before moving to the fix. First, opening in text editor. Open MLH files in a text editor like Notepad++ to view the header information. Most mail header files store data in readable text format, making the sender, recipient, subject, and date information accessible without specialized email software for basic information retrieval and analysis. Next, importing into modern email. Migrate legacy. MLH-based email data to modern email systems by exporting messages from the original mail application to standard formats like EML or PST. Modern email clients like Microsoft Outlook, Mozilla Thunderbird, or webmail services provide better long-term email management capabilities. Finally, inspecting file contents. Use email forensics tools or text analysis utilities to extract information from MLH files when the originating email system is no longer accessible. The header data can provide important communication records useful for legal compliance audit trails or historical correspondence research. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous step suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.